I heard this amazing story from Rabbi Akiva Rutenberg, our director at Emet Outreach. He once said over a story about the Chofetz Chaim. The Chofetz Chaim was once on a train, and the train was picking up momentum. And as he was standing by the window of the train, don't ask me how this happened, but he was taking off his gloves, and somehow one of his gloves slipped off of his hand, and it fell out of the window of the train, and it landed on the ground. And now he's standing there, and he has his other glove in his hand. Now he cannot go to the conductor and ask the conductor to stop the train because he needs to retrieve his glove. So what would we have done in that situation? Let's press pause on the story and ask ourselves, what would we have done? What would you do if you were in such a position? You lost your first glove. What are you going to do with the second glove? Most of us would have said, at least I have the second glove. I'll keep the second glove. Or we would say, if I don't have the first glove, then why do I need the second glove? And we would have disposed of the second glove. But the Chofetz Chaim was a person who thought outside of the box. And he takes off his second glove and he throws it out of that window right on top of the first glove. Somebody approached him and he said, Rabbi, I understand that you accidentally dropped the first glove, but why would you want to lose the second glove? On purpose. And the Chofetz Chaim says something so brilliant. He says, look, somebody's going to eventually come to find that glove. I don't know who this person is. But why should it be that both of us should have one glove when one of us could have both gloves? Let that person have both gloves. Let him have both. This is a person who thinks outside of the box. He's a person who puts others before himself. He's a person who makes others a priority. Now, what impresses me about the story isn't the fact that he took his second glove and threw it on the other glove so that somebody could find it and have both gloves. What impresses me about the story is his knee-jerk reaction, how fast he did it. He didn't even have to think twice. It was his second nature. It was part of his innate essence to think about others, to put someone else before himself. And so if we could learn to think like the Chofetz Chaim, if we could train ourselves to see how we could benefit others, how we could assist other people, then we could help people in the most unimaginable ways. The problem is that sometimes we're so concerned about ourselves, we forget about the well-being of others. But if we could make other people a priority, like the Chofetz Chaim did, then Hashem will see our unity and our camaraderie. And as a result, Hashem is going to bring our salvation. Hashem is going to bring Mashiach speedily in our days. Amen.